When I finished my degree in biology, I enjoyed biology, learning, and doing research so much that I decided to continue with postgraduate studies. I did a PhD in microbiology, which took 4 years. A PhD is all about research and discovering something new in a research topic. In my case, about microbiology in Antarctica. I loved it. My biggest challenge was to finish writing it on time. It took much longer than I expected. At the end, I spent 10 hours a day, 7 days a week for 3 months to finish it. Luckily, I finished just in time on the last day. It was a good lesson about time management for the future. One everyday challenge is living in London. It is an exciting city with lots of culture, interesting shops, and amazing restaurants, but it's so expensive. It can be very difficult at the beginning. After a while, I found smaller, cheaper restaurants with amazing food and special cheaper deals to go to the cinema and theater. It's also so hard to know what to wear. On the tube train, it's always very hot, so I need thin clothes even in winter. The weather changes a lot in the UK. I recently got into cycling, but when I cycle, I need to wear waterproof clothing and bring extra clothes to work. Also, with cycling, it's important to plan the route to avoid busy streets, which can be dangerous. Lots of people, including me, wear very bright cycling vests to make sure drivers can see us.